Hey Dave, it's about 10 o'clock? 10:30 probably. We're waiting for you to come. We just got done shoveling the driveway. You're going to be in the vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
Salting it up. So I can get my car out to come get you from the airport. We did it all though. We got a good amount of snow here. The blizzard of 2010. I mean, it's a good amount. Yeah. There's my leg. That doesn't help much. Anyway, the steps. Good drifts up to a foot and a half. So, yeah, it's been fun. We're just waiting for you to come. Glad you got on your flight finally after your long delay. And I will come get you in a little bit. Work that shoelace.
You're silly. Somebody's happy.
Mm-hmm. Also, somebody's tired. What time is it?
I think somebody's tired. The clock's over there.
Oh, we buried it. Luggage. 1:19 a.m. Somebody's flight got in so late. 2 hours.
Flight was delayed.
We had the blizzard of the century, except it was weak sauce. Jinx. How much snow did we get here at your parents' house?
Well, tops from that estimate on their car is like 5 inches. But on the ground, it really only looks like 3, maybe 2.
Yeah. So, some storm. But it's supposed to be really cold now, and so
the storm.
Salt, I know. People definitely overreacted about the storm.
No, canceling school early? No classes after 3?
Yep, that's the only time I've ever seen BYU do that.
The only time they ever did that for me was on September 11th. Yeah, a little different.
Yeah, just a little. My mom called me. She was worried about us.
Really?
Yep. On their phone. Because they have that phone now instead of just Skype.
Oh.
You didn't know about that?
No.
They have like a landline phone thing. They have a number here in the States that you can call. Yeah.
Fun.
Yep.
When did they get that?
Like a month or 2 or so ago.
Year ago.
What? Yep. So we're staying up in Salt Lake because we're sleepy. And we're going to be up here tomorrow anyway, so we decided not to drive back down to Provo, even though I hear they only got like 1 inch down there, if that. So we're not afraid of icy roads. We just like sleep.
Save 2 hours. Sleep for next 2 hours.
Which we're going to need because it's late.
Yep. Well, say goodnight.
Good night.
Say something snowy.
There was a snowman. Tall, tall, tall.
Tall, tall, tall.
And the sunny melted. Melted. Small. What? That was really crappy. Except the snowman's never gonna melt if we build one tomorrow because it's so cold. The end.